everyone, this is Jessica from Non-Sweet. Today I'm filming in my kitchen because we're starting a new YouTube series on our channel where all members will rotate and release one video of their own choice of topic per week. As of the filming date, I have no clue what this series is called, but hopefully we'll come up with a name by the time we release this, or you guys can help us with coming up with a name for this series. But the whole point of this series is so that you guys can get to know us a little bit more and also for us to stay creative. Today I was thinking I'm gonna make red bean sticky rice pancake, which is I don't think it's very common, but it's a snack that I ate a lot when I was a kid, and I think you usually would see it in some more traditional Chinese bakery. And it's really easy to make. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So to make this, you need glutinous rice flour, you need some salt, some sugar, you need hot water, red bean paste where I bought it from the store, and I measured 20 grams each and rolled them into balls. And traditionally they only make it as is, but I was thinking since we have red bean, might as well put some matcha in there. So I'm probably gonna put around 3 grams. And then just mix them together. Mix, 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 mix. And then mix it till the point where it kind of looks like tiny little lumps. Yeah, and then I'll start kneading all the flour mixture thingy into a dough. I like to press into them because I feel like they would stick less this way. And then this is gonna be enough for like 3 pancakes. The reason I rolled out like 6 red bean paste is because I actually eat this quite often. So I just pre-roll some of them and put them in my fridge. Okay, maybe I need a tad more rice flour. Oh, that's a bit too much. It's okay, there's always a way to save it. Okay, I think this looks good. So now that we have our glutinous rice dough and also our rolled out red bean paste, we're gonna roll these out and wrap the red bean paste in. And so for these, you should measure about 40 grams each, around 40, 42 depends, but divide it into 3. And then I will take out the silicone mat where I could roll them out, and also a roller. And take out your roller and we're ready to roll these dolls. So now we have our dough all measured. I'm gonna first roll them into balls. Just maybe knead them a little bit more because sometimes the outside is a bit more dry than the inside. Just roll it out into a circle-ish thing. And it doesn't need to be too thin because you have to roll it out further after you wrap the red bean paste into it. We'll roll it out to something like this, and then I'll just like press the side to make the side a bit thinner. So when you roll out your pancake, it will be even and the red bean paste won't explode. So after this, you get something that looks like this, and then you take one red bean paste, put it in the middle, and then you can wrap it around. Try to make sure there's no air bubble in there. The back looks a bit ugly, but we'll roll them out, and then roll it out so it looks like a pancake. And just do it very, very gently to make sure the red bean paste doesn't explode. So you roll it out to about like this thickness, and do the same with the rest of the two of them. Now you're almost there, and the only thing you need to do is to cook them. So I have a non-stick pan here, and I'm gonna put some oil in it, and then turn on the heat to medium. I'm just gonna clean up while we're waiting for it. So once your oil is warmed up, you could start putting the pancakes in. Now you just have to let it cook. Just let it cook for a couple minutes, and when you check that one side gets a little bit golden brown, then you could to the other side. And then you just keep cooking it and flipping it, but at some point the pancakes will start rising up. Oof, this one looks really nice. So when it's puffing up like this one, that means it's ready. You should probably turn off the heat. And there you have it, our sticky rice red bean pancake. They're really chewy and they're not overly sweet, so I really like them. And I recommend you guys to also try making it at home. If you like this kind of video, let me know in the comment. Or if you have any recommendation on what I should be making next, leave a comment below. Like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really appreciate your support, and hope to see you in the next video.